Imagine finding a massive fallen log in the heart of a misty forest. Most people see timber, but I saw a dream home. It started with a vision and a chainsaw. Carving out the core was the toughest part, but watching the hollow space emerge was incredibly satisfying. I wanted to bring the outside in, so I installed a massive circular window facing the waterfall. Every cut, every sand, and every polish was worth it for this view. Next came the cozy interiors. A custom bed, hand-built shelves, and a small wood-burning stove to keep the mountain chill away. From a fallen tree to a luxury sanctuary, this is my tiny forest escape. Would you spend a night here